Hello, this is Team 2 named BOST squared, and this is our prototype. We are currently in the home page. This is for view of the general public, so since they don't have login information, their only options would be to view projects. And here, based off an ID number, they're able to access projects just to view them. They can't make any changes, no modifications. There's also information about the MPO in general. Now, for other entities like the MPO staff and the municipalities, since they have login information, they are able to access other items within the prototype. So here, they're able to enter their username, passwords, and log in. And if they haven't logged in, there's also an option for registering. This is not going to be part of the prototype. This is just to see all the potential entities of the MPO system. But here you can see what functionalities each member has. So for the MPO staff, they have, after they've logged in, they have the option to manage projects, view reports, and also view maps. So we'll go into manage projects first. Again, they can enter projects using an identifier and are able to send proposals to the policy board after they've reviewed them. They can also return back to the main page, and here you can see the status of the projects as they are under review or if they're pending approval or have been completed. And again, here they can deny a project if it doesn't meet the requirements. And here you can see that the project has been denied. So back to homepage. You can view reports, and then based off certain criterion, you can select which state, what district, for what year, what organization. So right now we've only got all the text dots and the NM dots, the budget and the status of the project, and you can run a query. And this just gives you general information about the project and the reports. Let's see. So again, back to homepage, and then you have access to maps as the MPO staff as well. So here you can see the markers. You can click the markers, and again, depending on the ID number, you can get general information about the project in that area, or you can add markers to the map. So here, you add some ID number and you add the project, and the marker has been added to the map, and again, people can get general information from the marker in the map. Members who have not yet registered with the MPO have the option to register. They'll enter username, password, email, and the organization they're with, which will give them the user type. And then they're allowed to register, and after that they'll go ahead and log in to, they'll go ahead and log in using their user information. And then obviously they can't pick what user they're going to be, but they'll be assigned based off of the organization that they're with. Okay, if you're a different member, if you're not part of the MPO staff, you can be log out, and you can be a member of an organization, which are the municipalities. So members of municipalities are able to track project proposals, propose projects, view projects, and then access the map as well. These are the different things here to track the project. Based off an identifier, you can track, you get general information about the project. Let's see, for proposing projects, you can enter information about the project that you're wanting to propose. Depending on the budget, and you could select a file, upload here, give a description, and then you can either cancel or review proposal. You have both options here. So you could submit the proposal, edit, or cancel the proposal. So we'll go ahead and cancel here. And then you can also view projects, the ones that are ongoing. And again, you have the same functionalities as the members of the general public do, where you can see if a project's under review, if it's ongoing, if it's been completed. All these things here. And all of this is based off the identifier for the project. Okay, so you have access also to the map, and essentially it has the same functionalities as it did before, where you click and based off the identifier you get general information about the project in that area. Okay, so that was for municipalities. For the policy board, they have the functionality of approving or denying projects and viewing projects as well. Here they have this project, and they can either approve or deny. If you see here, you could see the status of the project and the policy board is able to change the status of the project. So add some sort of remark, approve the project, and here you can see that the project has been approved. Then they have the option to do the opposite. So again, they can add a remark that the project didn't meet the guidelines, and they can deny the project. And again, the general public as well as all the other members are able to see the status of the project. And then they have the option to view projects again, same as the general public and same as the members of the staff. So here you can see the status. And finally, the last actors of the system would be members of IT support, which are essentially just there to manage accounts and manage accessibility of members. So here you have the option to edit. You can change something, change the name, change the user type, so it would be other staff or member of an organization. This has been the prototype for Team 2 named BOST Squared. Thank you.